Hi, in this video, in reference to the Azure itself is concerned, we are going to discuss about how to create a cluster for Kubernetes, because this Kubernetes, Ansible, Negois, at the same time Jenkins, all these are different DevOps tools which are being used in cloud environment, wherein to manage the project related stuff, all that. So by both the development as well as operations team. So today we are discussing about how to create a Kubernetes cluster here. So wherein you can see there is an option here called Kubernetes services. So whenever you are clicking on create, so that you can see here, right, create a Kubernetes cluster, all that. So this is where generally Kubernetes cluster has to be, so that whenever we want to inform in reference to the subscription part itself is concerned, we have to give the subscription details. Whatever the subscription details do we have and all everything, those subscription details has to be provided equally. Make sure we need to have a detailed these things, all that. So that is what generally we need to do, right? So we need to understand about the kind of clusters, what is that we are going to create in reference to the node pools. What are the node pools we have, the kind of operating system are we going to require to use it. At the same time, whatever the kind of encryption type we have, right? So is it something relating to default encryption in reference to the platform managed keys, or else something relating to the customer managed keys? That has to be selected. Usually encryption type will be default one. Generally, that's what we have to do. At the same time, if you want to create any kind of reviews plus create and all, here you can see. At the same time, if you want to have an access over the next level of Kubernetes cluster and all, we can click on this next access. At the same time, here there is an option where we can see access here. What are the access relating to the Kubernetes part? So that access has to be updated equally here. At the same time, we need to create some kind of DNS names and all everything for this networking part in reference to the securities, all that everything is concerned. Apart from that, we need to provide some integrations. What are the integrations relating to the existing ones, wherein we need to create in different workspaces, right? So we have to provide multiple workspaces, whatever is required, and wherein we need to enable that equally. So that is what we have to do. But make sure here we need to create, right? So create new, where we have to create new workspace in reference to the log analytics of the workspace, so that people will understand this much better, so that people can use it accordingly. At the same time, when reference to the advanced part, so wherein we need to provide some kind of infrastructure resource groups, all that stuff. At the same time, if you want to review and create, here there is an option where we can review and create here subsequently. This is how generally this creation of Kubernetes clusters and all everything are being used for. If you have any questions in regard to this, if you have any queries, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.